Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ryan from ClearPro. Guess where am I now? Yes, we are at the ClearPro Professional PPF Installation Center. Today, we are going to teach you how to do a proper installation of our ultra clear film. You will find all the solutions in the coming video.
We selected installation solution mixture of 1.8 milliliters of dish soap and 1000 milliliters of pure water, thoroughly shaken to ensure proper dispersion. After squeegeeing, the film can be fixed onto the vehicle surface, providing stable positioning and controlled edge setting. For comparison, we tested a second mixture using 3 milliliters dish soap and 1000 milliliters of water. With this higher concentration, the film fails to anchor securely to the surface, resulting in excessive movement and significantly increased difficulty in edge setting. Contaminants, residual slip solution, or debris along the edge will prevent the adhesive from activating correctly. If the edges are not thoroughly cleaned, even firm inward pressure will fail to achieve a proper edge set. Now we are thoroughly cleaning the edges. Once the edge is fully clean and free of contaminants, the film will accept the edge setting pressure and allow the technician to secure a clean, stable wrap with consistent adhesion. Since the fender wrinkles are concentrated in the rear half, stretching should be installed to the front half. This ensures even stress on the membrane and prevents adhesive residue. Once the front section of the rear fender is anchored in position, the film must be stretched rearward as one uniform motion. It is critical to maintain overall even tension across the panel. Avoid applying excessive force in a single localized area, as this can distort the film and create tension lines. Using this specific section as an example, the film should be stretched toward 3 different directional anchor points. After the stretching is complete and the film is properly shaped, proceed with a controlled squeegee pass to remove moisture and lock the film into place. Thoroughly clean the side mirror surface. During the stretching process, it is essential to ensure that any wrinkles on the mirror are evenly distributed. Secure the outer edge of the side mirror as the primary anchor point. Next, carefully lift the lower half of the film. Apply controlled stretching to shape the film to the mirror contour. Then flush the area with clean water to stabilize the film in position. After the lower section is secured, lift the upper half of the film and stretch upward to relieve remaining tension. Rinse with clean water, then perform a controlled squeegee pass to lock the film in place. Once the side mirror installation is complete, don't trim the edges immediately. Allow sufficient time for internal moisture to evaporate. When performing edge finishing, use a heat gun held at a distance of approximately 20 centimeters from the film surface. Apply gentle, even heat to activate the adhesive and set the edges securely without overheating the film. Thoroughly clean the door handle. During stretching, carefully control the applied force, avoiding excessive stretching. Once the left and right alignment is properly set, squeegee the upper section. Then proceed to squeegee the lower section. Because the door handle area is small in size and features aggressive curvature, do not trim immediately. After the film is settled, trim with precision. Use heat gun to activate the adhesive and manually set the edges. This heat-assisted edge setting ensures proper conformity, clean wrapping, and long-term adhesion in the most curved area of the handle.